Chief Presidential Legal Counsel at dating Senate President na si Juan Ponce Enrile, pumanaw na sa edad na 101. Pumanaw na ang Chief Presidential Legal Counsel at dating Senate President na si Juan Ponce Enrile. Kinumpirma ng pamilya Enrile ang malungkot na balita sa pamamagitan ng social media post ng anak ni JPE na si Katrina Ponce Enrile ngayong Huwebes, November 13, 2025. Ayon kay Katrina, binawian ng buhay ang kanyang ama sa kanyang tahanan ngayong Huwebes ng 4:21 ng hapon. Sabi sa post ni Katrina, "It is with profound love and gratitude that my father, Juan Ponce Enrile, peacefully returned to his creator on November 13, 2025 at 4:21 p.m., surrounded by our family in the comfort of our home. It was his heartfelt wish to take his final rest at home, with his family by his side. We were blessed to honor that wish and to be with him in those sacred final moments. He dedicated much of his life to the service of the Filipino people. At this time, we humbly ask for the public's understanding as our family takes a brief moment to grieve privately and honor his memory together in quiet and in peace. Details for public viewing will be shared once arrangements have been finalized, so that all who wish to pay their respects may have the opportunity to do so. On behalf of our family, I extend our deepest gratitude for the overwhelming love, prayers, and support we have received during this difficult time. Your kindness means more than words can express." Naulila ni JPE ang asawa niyang si Cristina Castañer Enrile at ang dalawa nilang anak na sina Katrina at Jack. Sa plenary session sa Senado noong Martes, November 11, 2025, ay ibinahagi ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada na nasa intensive care unit o ICU ng isang hindi pinangalanang ospital si JPE dahil sa pneumonia. Ayon kay Jinggoy, sinabi sa kanya ng isang mapagkakatiwalaang source na malabo na raw ang tsansa ni JPE na makaligtas.
Before we continue, Majority Leader, the Senator Jinggoy Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I have just received a very, very sad information that our former colleague, former Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, is currently in the intensive care unit of an undisclosed hospital suffering from pneumonia. And I heard from a reliable source, a very, very reliable source, that he has slim chances of surviving. And I hope all of us here present can have a short prayer to be led by Senator Joel Villanueva, if it's possible, Mr. President.
Kumalat naman sa social media noong November 11, 2025 ang balitang pumanaw na si JP dahil sa art card na inilabas sa social media, ngunit pinabulaanan ito ng batikang broadcaster na si Ramon Tulfo noong araw na iyon. Ayon pa kay Tulfo, sinabi ng anak ni JP na si Jack na anumang oras ay maaari ng bawian ng buhay ang ama nito. Isa si Juan Ponce Enrile sa mga pinakakilalang pangalan sa kasaysayan ng politika ng bansa. Isinilang si Juan Valentin Furaganan Ponce Enrile sa bayan ng Gonzaga, Cagayan noong February 14, 1924. Ang mga magulang ni JPE ay sina Petra Furaganan at Alfonso Enrile. Ikinasal si JPE kay Cristina Castañer at mayroon silang dalawang anak na sina Jack at Katrina. Nagtapos ng abogasya si JPE sa University of the Philippines at kumuha ng master's degree sa Harvard University. Isa si JPE sa mga pangunahing personalidad sa likod ng martial law noong 1972 at isa rin siya sa mga bumaligtad sa rehimeng Marcos bago ang EDSA People Power Revolution noong 1986. Sa kabila ng iba't ibang kontrobersyang kinaharap ni JPE, mula sa mga isyu ng korupsyon hanggang sa pagbabago ng paninindigan, nanatiling matatag at aktibo sa politika si JPE. Kaya naman tinaguri ang political survivor ng Pilipinas si JPE dahil dito.